Love and life. In the quiet, wide-open spaces of Montana, there lived an old man named Larry. Larry was in his 60s, and he was lonely. He lived alone in a small house by the forest. Every day, he would sit on his porch and watch the sun rise and set. He felt a deep emptiness inside him. Larry had lost his wife many years ago. Since then, he had shut himself off from the world. He had no friends and rarely spoke to anyone. His days were long and silent. He felt like his life had no meaning. One morning, Larry saw something unusual. A small dog was wandering near his porch. The dog looked lost and hungry. Larry felt a tug at his heart. He slowly walked towards the dog and gently called it. The dog wagged its tail and came closer. Larry gave it some food and water. The dog stayed. Larry named him Buddy. At first, Larry was unsure about having a pet, but Buddy was friendly and full of energy. He made Larry smile. Every day, they would go for walks in the forest. Buddy would run around, and Larry would laugh at his antics. Buddy brought joy into Larry's life. The little dog followed Larry everywhere, always ready with a wagging tail and a joyful bark. One day while they were walking in the forest, Larry and Buddy met a woman named Joy. Joy was in her 50s and had a warm smile. She was hiking and had lost her way. Larry offered to help her find the trail. As they walked, they talked. Larry felt something he hadn't felt in a long time: connection. Joy started visiting Larry and Buddy often. She brought warmth and laughter into Larry's home. At first, Larry was reluctant. He didn't want to get too close to anyone. But Joy's kindness slowly melted his fears. She listened to Larry's stories and shared her own. They talked about their lives, dreams, and regrets. Larry began to feel alive again. Joy and Buddy showed him that it was okay to love and be loved. They brought light into his dark world. But Larry still had moments of doubt. He feared losing them, just like he lost his wife. He would sometimes push them away, afraid of the pain that love might bring. One cold winter evening, Buddy went missing. Larry searched everywhere, calling out for his little friend. He felt panic and fear gripping his heart. Joy joined the search, comforting Larry as they looked for Buddy. After hours of searching, they found Buddy trapped in a ditch, shivering and scared. Larry rescued him and held him close. At that moment, Larry realized something important. Love was worth the risk. Buddy and Joy had filled the emptiness in his heart. They had shown him that love could be beautiful again. Larry decided to let down his walls and embrace the love that had come into his life. He and Joy grew closer, sharing many happy moments together. Buddy was always by their side, bringing joy and laughter. Larry started to find purpose in his days. And so, in the quiet, wide-open spaces of Montana, an old man named Larry discovered that love could bring profound change. With Buddy and Joy by his side, he looked forward to each new day, ready to embrace life with a full heart. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, please support it and this channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, please hit that subscribe button, and remember, enjoy the journey. See you next time.